For more than 25 years, Firmatech has been working hand in hand with the aggregate mining industry to provide the best technology, accuracy, and service for measuring stockpiles and mapping your sites. Together, we developed the best drone solution available. Here's how it works. You decide you want to use Firmatech's drone solutions for your inventory measurements, mine planning, and other needs. You submit a request form to Firmatech. That kicks off an onboarding and training process consisting of 3 components: FAA Part 107 exam prep, an overview of the Firmatech drone program, and finally, a how to use the drone for data collection session. We send you a drone kit, including a hard case, DJI Phantom 4 Pro, controller, batteries, iPad, and all necessary accessories. You fly the drone and then upload the photos to Firmatech's client portal. You let us know what type of analysis and deliverables you want, for example, stockpile measurements. Then, our team of data processors gets to work. They do the analysis and processing for you, and when it is complete, you get a notification to log into the portal to view your results. Firmatech's drone solutions are simple, fast, and accurate, but we don't stop there. We also make sure you understand what the data says. Start working with Firmatech's drone solutions today.